the magical map to Adventure Valley. Ella and Leo are in a sunny backyard, surrounded by flowers and a magical glowing map on the grass. Ella slipped upon a glowing map while digging in the backyard. Ella and Leo, excited and ready with backpacks, standing at the edge of a colourful forest. Ella, Leo and Nina entering a vibrant, magical forest filled with glowing plants and whimsical creatures. Ella, "Wow, this place is amazing." Nina, "Just wait till you see the waterfall at the end." The group approaches a bridge guarded by a troll who loves riddles. Troll, "To cross my bridge, answer my riddle. What has keys but can't open locks?" Leo, A piano?" Troll, "Correct. You may pass." They arrive at the waterfall where magical creatures play in the water. A fairy appears, smiling at the children and granting them a magical gift. Fairy, "For your bravery and kindness, I grant you each a wish." Leo, "I wish for a superhero cape." Ella, "And I wish for endless adventures." The kids begin to head home, looking happy and fulfilled. They return home, the sun setting behind them, filled with stories to tell. Ella, "Let's keep the map safe. Our next adventure is waiting." Nina, "I'll be back to join you." They excitedly discuss where they might go next, daydreaming about future adventures. Leo, "I can't wait for the next one." Ella, "Me too. Adventure Valley will always be in our hearts."